taste a little bit. Hi Webbies! Welcome back to my channel right here, and medyo iba yung setup natin ngayon, and I don't know kung maganda ba yung lighting or anything. So, as you can see from the title, we're gonna make a homemade version, a much healthier version from your favorite soda, maybe Mountain Dew or Sprite, na medyo hindi ka maano sa sugar. And okay, so before we go on to the recipe, I'm gonna remind you guys to give this video a thumbs up. Of course, it will help me out a lot. And of course, if you're not subscribed already, click that subscribe button down below and be part of this insane squad that we have here. And of course, if you are subscribed, thank you so much for loving and supporting all of these videos. You can ring that notification bell and be notified with all of the pizzazz that is happening on this channel. So without further ado, let's go. The things that I have here is I have a 1.2 liter of just a regular Tupperware that you have on your fridge. Ito yung lagi namin ginagamit. So, dito na lalagyan ng tubig since lasa na siyang lemon. But, yeah, you should have something like this. But, the magic ingredient for this is I have the Perrier sparkling water. Nagsasearch ako ng mga much alternative options for soda. And ito yung nakita ko. Ito yung nakita kong healthier alternative. Nakatawa si Molly sa background. So, we have a bottle of Perrier right here. This is 750 ml. A little bit. I also have this Tesco Clear Honey. Ito yung lagi rin namin ginagamit every day. Medyo iniwasan na namin ng sugar because it's really not that healthy. You can use any honey that you prefer, pero we much prefer this one. Of course, we have a juicer. This is so inexpensive. Merong mga juicer na yung sinisqueeze na lang talaga. Kung meron kayo nun, mas okay. Kasi medyo kailangan mo ng hard work dito, pero doesn't really matter. I also have 3 lemons and 1 orange. Why do I have a 1 orange? For sweetness, of course. Para hindi na masyadong maglagay ng honey. If this is not sweet enough, then of course you can add 2. It's your preference really kung gusto mo ng 2 oranges. It doesn't really matter. 3 lemons is standard kung ayaw mong maging sobrang asim nung drink. So, what we're gonna do first is we're gonna pour the Perrier in this container because kung uunahin mo yung citrus, what's gonna happen is pag pinur mo yung pinur mo yung Perrier, aapaw siya because of the carbon. So, I'm gonna open this one. We have the Perrier. We're gonna pour this on our container, of course. Pwede mong inumin yung Perrier alone, pero nag-stream. Naborn yung recipe na to. Tinry kong inumin yung Perrier alone. And it doesn't taste great for me. I know maraming nainom ng Perrier na solo. Pero I don't like it. Medyo meron siyang bitter taste at the end of your palate kasi carbonated siya. But we're gonna go now into our lemons because we have the Perrier right here on our bottle. So we're gonna slice the lemons, of course. You can roll this to release all the juices. So feeling ko medyo hindi tawag dito. Medyo hindi hinog sa isip ko. kuilaw. Medyo hindi hinog yung lemon. So, I'm gonna slice this up, all of this, kasama yung orange. Then, pipigain natin siya dito, of course, sa ating juicer. And then, I will get back to you guys. Okay, so napiga ko na yung lahat ng juice dito. Tapos nakikita ko marami ako nakuhang juice. So, I'm gonna set this aside. Ito yung mga balat ng lemon at saka orange. So, I'm gonna have this here. And then we're gonna open this up. And slowly, and I mean it very, very slowly. Kasi pwede pa siyang umapaw because of the carbon and the acid. Very slowly, stream this. See? Stir. Kung nakita ka ng bubbles, stop ka muna. Medyo kakulay na siya ng Mountain Dew. If you don't want to add the honey, it's okay. You can leave it like this. Pero I suggest add the honey anyway. So, you can stream how much you want, kung gaano katamis. Depende dun sa fruits. I suggest maybe 3 tablespoons of honey. Pero we're gonna taste it anyway. Let's taste a little bit. It's so good. Pero medyo maasim pa rin. So, let's add more. So, I'm gonna taste this again. I think that's the perfect taste for me. We're gonna cover this up and then we can put this on the fridge. There you have it, guys. We have it right here, and this can last you for a pretty long while, pero hindi ito nagtatagal sa ref namin kasi it's so good. Mas masarap to ng sobrang lamig, and mas masarap pa siya sa Mountain Dew. So, ewan ko kung tabingi ba yung video or whatever yung lighting, pero I think I'm gonna do a lot of this kinds of videos in the future because it's fun. Why not? And medyo nakaslouch ako dito para lang magkasya ako sa frame. You don't really need a recipe for this kasi medyo basic naman siya, and nasa sa'yo naman kung anong gusto mong ilagay dito. You can add more fruits to this, pero of course di na siya magiging Mountain Dew kind of a drink kung lalagyan mo pa siya ng ibang citrus or anything. Pero you can naman customizable naman siya. So, that is all for me this night. I've filmed 3 videos this night and I'm so tired. It's a Sunday, but I'm gonna go now and of course, rapid fire. Thumbs up, of course, subscribe, and of course, ring that notification bell again. Be notified with all of the stuff that is happening on this channel. And of course, I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna see you guys on the next one.